Okay, so we have a list. Let's break down the syntax a little bit because I know this is getting pretty wild. The way you pronounce this bit right here, the way you would say this in English is you would say list of type string. These are not greater than the less than signs. At least as far as the C# compiler is concerned, they're not. What we're doing is we're specifying a type parameter or specifying a type argument specifically. And if that just completely doesn't make any sense to you, don't worry. Just take it for granted that a list, like an array, is homogeneous. You may only have, once you create a list of type something, that list may only ever contain that type. Now, not all collections are like that, but lists are. And it's a good thing, because if you have a collection that can contain multiple types, you will get very confused very fast and your code will probably blow up. So again, what we have here is an example of generics. What generics are, how to use them, how to write your own, doesn't matter. The point is that if we want a list of string, we say list, open up this symbol, put in a type, close the symbol. And to pronounce it, again, it's Lisp. Wow. Sorry, I read the chat on accident. List of type string. So that's our variable type, is list of type string. Then we have to instantiate it. Again, why do we have to instantiate it? Because we do. The particular reason why we have to instantiate this will be covered in week 6 once we get into object-oriented programming. But for now, we have to instantiate lists. When we instantiate them, we have to instantiate them to be of the same type that we declared them as. That's why we have to repeat ourselves and say, okay, I want a variable called names, and I want it to be of type string, or sorry, of type list of type string. Then I want to instantiate it. What do I want to instantiate it as? Well, a list of type string. And then we have to put these parentheses right here. Why do we have to put these parentheses right here? Well, because we have to. Again, the particular reasoning behind these parentheses is important and significant, but will be covered in week 6.